Hey guys, today I want to talk through the process of creating a seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator. You could use a black and white picture that you've drawn or one that you find that is open access on the internet. I have found an old illustration that is no longer under copyright, so I'm just going to use this with the image trace tool, and I'm kind of guessing at the settings that I want to use. What this is doing is taking the raster image and creating a vector version of it so that I can scale this up or clean up the lines or change the color. And I'm just kind of tweaking based on the settings because I want to clean up some of the edges that are kind of jagged and make sure that there's enough detail to see their faces but not so much that it's noisy. So then I ungroup all of those lines and start deleting what I don't really think is necessary to keep. And then I duplicate the image because in case I delete too much, I want to be able to go back to the beginning. So I think I've got it pretty simplified, and I can just play with the colors. Put in a background color so that it's not just black and white. The options here are endless, and it's where you can end up spending a lot of time unnecessarily if you're playing with this. Now I'm going to go to the pattern options tool after I figure out I'm just guessing at the size I think this will need to be. And then there are lots of options in the pattern options toolbar that you have to play with to kind of get familiar with. As I fast forward a little bit here, I'm just tinkering with the pattern arrangement, and then I exit out of the pattern options tool and grab the actual shape of the cloth pad I plan to use this fabric design with, and I realize that the scale is a little too small because I want the image to not be repeating on the pad, so I want it to be bigger. So I'm going back and editing the pattern so that the mermaid and man are a little bigger in the center of the pad, and then I try to condense the pattern too so that there's less white space in between the images. After exiting the pattern options tool, it looks much better. I like that this fills out the space and is a good scale for this item that I'm sewing. And now I just want to tinker with the colors, decide on a background color, and my usual go-to color that I really love is a gradient from pink to orange behind blue. But you can pick whatever you love. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.